to eat French dressing, jelly, mustard, relish, ketchup, mayonnaise, ranch dressing, a dab of hot sauce,
Dab.
and pickle juice.
Wait, put some hot sauce in it.
I already did.
Here. Take a deep breath and hold your nose, boss. Are you adding cereal? What the?
It's gonna take away half the other taste.
No, you gotta mix it up.
I already mixed it up!
So you put some more stuff in. You can't just put some more stuff. You gotta mix it up. Oh. Oh.
You gotta finish it all.
Oh yeah, that's gross. Oh. 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 That's gross, yo. Ooh. Ooh, that was not good. Oh. He's still making noises.